You know, my doctors put me on an anti-inflammatory diet because I have too much chronic inflammation, yeah. So then why are you... In today's video, what's inflammation? And is it really that bad for you? So inflammation is nothing but your immune system's response to a threat or a problem. And there are two types of inflammation: acute inflammation and chronic inflammation. Hey you. Yeah, you. You're acute inflammation. Acute in this context means short term, and chronic means long term or recurring. So for example, if I cut my hand and it starts to bleed, there's going to be an acute inflammation response, and that's going to increase the amount of blood in that cut, seal up the wound, and start to begin the healing process. Once the healing process is over, the swelling goes down and everything's back to normal. So in this case, the acute inflammation was a good thing because it helped us heal. But was the inflammation the problem? No, the inflammation was just a response. It's the fact that I cut my hand that was the problem. Chronic inflammation is recurring or long-term inflammation. So let's say I get into a fight. I hit somebody in the face, their face breaks, and so does my hand. As my hand breaks, it swells up and blood starts to accumulate. The healing process has now begun. But before it's completely healed, I get into another fight and punch another person. My hand breaks again, and the healing process starts all over again. And this time, there's more damage because it was already broken. And then instead of waiting for my hand to heal, I just go out and keep punching people randomly, and my hand just gets worse and worse and worse. So in this case of a chronic or recurring inflammation, was it really the inflammation that's the problem, or the fact that I'm going out and punching people over and over that's the problem? So again, it's not the inflammation that I need to deal with as such, it's the fact that I need to stop punching people and probably need therapy and have a lot of underlying issues from my childhood that I should resolve. I wasn't talking about myself. So chronic inflammation isn't really a problem, it's just showcasing that there's an underlying problem that you need to solve. Because it's when the inflammation or the problem is so big that it outgrows your capacity to recover is when you actually fall ill, or you're not able to recover, or you actually end up dying. So what causes inflammation? So things like pollution, bad food, smoking, drinking alcohol, plastics, there's a bunch of things. Even exercises causes inflammation. So exercise is as bad as smoking? No, that's not what I said. So there are different types of inflammation, and the dose makes the poison. So a lot of times inflammation is good because it makes you stronger. But when there's too much inflammation, or the inflammation exceeds your capacity to recover, that is when it becomes a problem. But that information is for another time. For now, just let the difference between acute and chronic inflammation soak in. Let it soak into your brain. So I hope you liked that video, guys. If you did, leave me one of these. Hit the subscribe button. And make sure you hit the comment section below as well. Let me know what you thought about this video. Let me know if there's something else that you want to watch. And I'll keep you posted regarding more information in the videos to come, which means I'll see you in the next video. Where was this train of thought going? I have no idea. I just let it run loose like a stallion. Why have you still not hit the subscribe button? Hit the subscribe button, man. What are you waiting for? Stop. You're procrastinating. Come on, man. Just hit the goddamn button.